Starter 1.1. Listen, say your name. Hello, I'm Paula. Hello, I'm Joseph. 1. Read and listen. 1. Read. 2. Listen. 3. Repeat. 4. Write. 5. Look. The alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at the pictures. Write the numbers. A. 3 notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 erasers. 1, 2 teachers. 2 teachers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chairs. So 8 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pens. 10 pens. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 markers. 6 markers. A student. 1 student. H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 books. 9 books. I. 1, 2, 3, 4 desks. 4 desks. J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. 5 pictures. Numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 15, 19, 18, 14, 16, 20, 12, 13, 17, 11. Numbers 21 to 100. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, Write the numbers. A. 31. B. 63. C. 42. D. 55. E. 86. F. 94. G. 77. H. 49. I. 58. J. 37. K. 41. L. 99. M. 82. N. 75. O. 68. P. 60. The classroom. Look, listen, and read. Number 1. A board. Number 2. A marker. Number 3. A teacher. Number 4. A student. Number 5. A picture. Number 6. A table. Number 7. A book. Number 8. A desk. Number 9. A pencil. Number 10. An eraser. Number 11. A chair. Number 12. A notebook. Number 13. A pen.